Aerodrome. Meaning. Aerodrome refers to a location where aircraft can take off and land, usually including runways, taxiways, and buildings for various operations. It is essentially a small airport or airfield. Definition: aerodrome is a noun that describes a designated area for the operation of aircraft. It typically includes facilities like hangars, terminals, and control towers. Aerodromes can be used for both civil and military aviation purposes. Examples and sentences. 1. The plane landed safely at the local aerodrome after a long flight. Here, aerodrome refers to the airport where the plane touched down. 2. The small aerodrome was equipped to handle private aircraft and small flights. In this example, aerodrome refers to a smaller facility designed for small-scale aviation.
English practice.